Hello guys, good morning. Good morning. It's me again, Ryan, and I'm back with an awesome day trading recap. But I started okay, stepped out a few times, but I did not give up. But I'm kind of frustrated because I took it short here. I took CCL short here. And look at that. It's now probably going to 50. That's my target, and this one, so this area was my target. It's probably gonna go there slowly without me. Shorted it, took profit just to pay commission, added whatever it took, and then stop out. I was just scared that it's gonna go back to 2704 and make a new high of day. I don't know. That's what I thought. Like, I have this 2704. That was a 10% level, so I don't have any levels for CCL. So I said, okay, maybe it's probably gonna go 10% for the day, which it did. It was because I don't have levels on my left. If you can see, I have levels here, but that's my point of entry, right? So I don't have any levels, so I had it pre-planned at this area, 2704. High of day is 2702, so it's really close. That was not bad, right, for levels. But at the open I traded let's see, PLTR. Look at that, took it long, stop out, took it long. It's not going for 30, and then I actually wanted to short it, but I said, okay, maybe it's not gonna be a short, maybe it's just gonna bounce at VWAP, but eventually it did work. How much did it move? $2.36. That's the move it did. But yeah, I also was watching AAL, so I was watching just AAL, PLTR, and CCL. Look at that drop. That was a nice trade. But CCL, man, look at that. So the way I traded CCL today was it's lagging, sorry. I actually took it short here twice, but I got stopped out, and then I flipped it to long here. You see that? That was a long. This was a long when I recognized, okay, I was wrong. Long for a $25 break. It likes, stocks likes to do that nowadays. So I was in early, took profit, added back whatever I took, and then look at that, I took profit, added, and I waited patiently for an ad. This was the ad because I was almost all out with my shares. I got out here all out when I reached my 2704. So I shorted it here again. Took profit, oh my god, look where it is now. Oh my god, let me just pause this. Yeah, it's frustrating. These are the things that sometimes you miss. This could have been a nice move as well. Because I don't want to give back. That's the thing, it's really hard to give back profits. In my mind I said, okay, if this squeezes up I might hook out just in case. I don't know. Yeah, so that was the target that I wanted. My original average was around 2691 or something, so that was a good move. That's, yeah, so let's just watch. There you go. Market is about to open, but you know what, market opened. Okay, how's the volume? I wasn't getting in yet because it's still too early to get in. So it looked like it's gonna break 30, right? So looking at it, how much are the volume? So for PLTR, 7 million, as you can see here, you see 7.2 million. 2 million for AAL, moved about 38 cents, 34 cents, 2 million. So they all have volume in the first minute, but it looks like I wanted to take PLTR long, so I took PLTR long there. I even added twice, and I said, okay, it looks like it's not going to break yet, so it's having a hard time. Stopped out, small loss. Okay, I took another long. I didn't get filled because I need a bigger move, probably 50-cent move, 30-50 area, so I stopped out there. But yeah, I said, okay, it's not working. Maybe it's a short. I actually should have flipped to short here, but I did not. I was looking for other stocks because I didn't want to chase this. It looks like it's going to chop around. There you go. So I shorted CCL. Yep. Come on, let's see. Stopped out because I didn't want to get squeezed to 25 because I recognized I see this 25 in here, right? So it's probably, you know, if it's this is kind of like engulfing, but it kind of maybe failed because it closed below it. There you go. Took another short. This time I didn't add because I wasn't sure. Then I stop out, flip it to long. So that was the flip. See that too? That was a stop out, and another one was a long. So I'm long full size at this point for a break of 25. And after that, it was just working. It just worked. Took some off 10%. So that's the move I wanted. 2 to 1 actually. 1 to 1. Sorry, not 2 to 1. I don't know why I didn't have take profit here. Yeah, so this one's gonna take a while, so maybe I'll just fast forward this a bit. I'm still kind of upset about my short on CCL earlier, so I even added there. Kind of not in the mood right now because of that. So I'm patiently waiting. There you go. I still have a good amount of shares here. So I'm just taking small partials. My target was just 25.50 actually. That was my target for the day. Who knows, it's gonna go more than that. My target was just $1 move. So average is 25.08 after the ad. 25.008 actually. So 25.01 of the average after this ad because I took some off here. Added a bit heavy here. Added again. And that PLTR move, not PL, CCL short that I did earlier, it's killing me right now. But it's fine, it's fine. We're good. So new average after this ads is 25.17. As you can see here, 25.1650. It's gonna take a while. I don't know how to fast forward this. Maybe let's fast forward this a bit because this just went to the moon. So my average is still 25.16. Who knows, it's gonna go there. There you go. Still taking profit. Really good move. That's why I had the guts to kind of play around with my profit because you know, that's why I shorted it earlier. But I don't normally trade after 10:30 anymore. I only trade 1 hour at least. So at this point it's 10:12. So I'm kind of getting impatient to get out all my trades because I'm tired. Looking at this level 2 and time and sales and charts, candles, it's draining even just for an hour. So I even added there, new average is 25.79. You can see there. So I'm still too far from my average, it's 80 cents. I'm still too far. I actually wanted more. I should have added more in there. I didn't want to add too much because I thought it's going to go back to 26. So that's the 2704. So that was the target. So I was out. See, I was out there. So when I saw that it didn't really even reach 27, see that 27, what's this, 26.95 is the high of day. So it didn't even reach there. I don't want to be greedy. I'll just get out, right? Done for the day. So what happened? And it just dropped. I was really happy. I kind of got the top. So there you go. So it's consolidating. It's probably going to continue. If it holds 26.60, it's probably going to continue to 26, but we never know. It'll probably go back and test 27.04 or $27. Test that, and maybe it's going to continue. That's what's my thought while I was trading this one. Let's look at the other trade, the short. Let's pause this. So this was the short that I was actually watching, right? So imagine I was out here. Remember, I was out here earlier. It's touching now. It's touching 2702 area. My high of my gut is just 2704. Let's see what it does. So I shorted it there. What's my average? 26.91. I was just hoping for this and this. So you see that my risk was 50 cents. So I was risking 50 cents. So this is my 2-to-1 move that I want. It's just a guide where I should be taking all out. But I thought it's going to continue. There you go. I finally did what I want. It's taking a while. I should have waited a bit before I entered, because getting in early makes you like sweat. This was the point of entry. This supposed to be the point of entry. This candle here. Just took profit just in case I stopped out. At least, I have a bit of profit. Average is still 26.91. Come on, man. I just want 26.50 actually. I didn't want $26, but who knows? Who knows what's gonna happen. Maybe it went to 26 now. Let's just fast take some off because I was impatient. Average is 26.91. I was actually looking to add somewhere here. Yeah, this area if it gets rejected. So I was closely watching the price. 86 area. When it's touching 87, it's heading down. Like someone selling at 87. See that? 85. When it touches 87, 89, down. So I added here. Whatever I took, I added. So that was the move. I didn't take profit because I want 70. That's where I was going to take profit. My new average now is 89. Shouldn't have added, but it's fine. So it wasn't really a big add. I thought it's gonna continue to drop. It didn't, and then I think it stopped me out here. Because I was looking, there's like, so it touches 88, right? You see that? It's every time it touches 88, 87, and I thought it's probably gonna squeeze to 90 and go back to 27. Then I decided to stop out because that's kind of like a pattern, right? Like if this breaks, probably gonna go to 27, but if not, then it's probably gonna go to 26.50. You see that this triangle here can be like a bear flag or something like that, and then if it doesn't really hold, and then it's probably gonna go to 26.70 and 26.50. But I said, okay, I'm gonna make a recap, because if not, I'm just gonna overtrade. So look at that, it went to this area, 26.37, our target. It's a bounce here, so that was good. So that was an easy bounce, but yeah, could have been a nice profit. So I don't normally trade at this time anymore. I have like 30 minutes before work, so you know I have to prepare my mindset, get off of trading. But yeah, I mean, if you watch my live stream in the morning, I posted that I'm going to trade PLTR, AAL, and CCL. So if you want to know which ones I'm going to trade, just check out my YouTube channel and maybe follow me there. Oops, sorry about that. Yeah, so you know, got nothing else to say. Thank you for watching. If you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. I'm still pissed with the CCL short. I feel like I lost, but you know, I'm green for the day, but could have been a nice profit before we go back to the real work. All right, have a good day, everyone. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye. Have a good day. Cheers.